Listen to the sounds. Sometimes all we have to do during our walk, if you are fortunate to be in nature, outdoors, near the woods, is listen to the sounds. It's musical orchestra of nature at work. And all the bird chirping and all the sounds from insects, they all come together so beautifully. And they have such a calming effect on mind and body. I need to remove my AirPods more often moving forward so I can be in a meditative state during my run, walk, and enjoy these natural sounds which I missed out on for thousands of miles that I've run, almost 1800 miles that I've run. But oftentimes I'm with music playing at a high volume through my AirPods. Versus this, there's no comparison. So next time I'm going to take some time and just be in this state of enjoying the sounds of nature. Grateful, grateful, grateful for the beautiful trees and sounds of nature through the birds and through all kinds of species that live with us, that share the planet with us. Hope you take the time to enjoy outdoors, nature, and feel the gratitude for what we get to experience without really doing much. We didn't really create any of this, so this is not much effort from us, but we get to enjoy this if we just take a few minutes to fully immerse ourselves in it. Take care, stay happy, stay fit, and much love.